from the IFL Investor Conference. Adi Godrej, Chairman of the Godrej Group, joins us. Mr. Godrej, good morning. As always, it's a pleasure to have you with us. Well, we were just speaking with the Asian Paints management. They were speaking about the last effects of demonetization, not yet gone. The market still limping, or consumption still limping to normalcy. What would be your assessment? Is consumption really normal, or do you think we still have some space to catch up?
In our FMCG business, Godrej Consumer Products, the consumption is very good. Sorry, there is an echo in the line.
Okay. Well, we will set it right in a minute. We'll set it right in a minute, Mr. Godrej. Okay, you were saying that your FMCG business is fine. What about Godrej Properties? Over there, do you still see, demand absent? How would you assess that space, the realty space?
Real estate is difficult to judge on a month-to-month basis. We had a very good quarter. In fact, our October-December quarter went very well in Godrej Properties, and it's very difficult to tell. And remember, the results in real estate business are mainly as to how much of the earlier orders you have completed, because that's the accounting procedure. So it's very difficult to judge on that basis. Overall, the real estate market is weak. So I think that's difficult to judge. But in Godrej Consumer Products, our sales are very good in this quarter. And so I would say the remonetization is complete, and the effects of remonetization are very good on our sector.
Mr. Godrej, good morning. My colleague Varinder had recently done a study on Godrej Industries, which has a market cap of 16,000 crores, but has holdings of other Godrej Group companies at 17,000 crores, and has some standalone businesses as well, like Nature's Basket, chemicals business. The market was talking about maybe, Godrej Group could be looking at some kind of value unlocking here. Is that something which is on the table?
No, we are not looking at anything special. We are looking at the possibility of listing Godrej Agrovet, which is our unlisted subsidiary, but no immediate plans there either.
When you say immediate, sir, it's not in 2017, or maybe not immediate, but could be late in 2017.
That's difficult to tell. We haven't taken any decision yet.
Okay. Coming back to the business of Godrej Consumers, Mr. Godrej, if you look at what's been happening in various sub-segments, the soaps business has been underperforming for quite a while, not just for you, but for the entire sector. I mean, in the last 2 quarters, your soap segment has seen a fall of 6% and 10% respectively. By when do you think the segment could come back to the, heydays of around 13 to 15% growth?
I think very soon. I think it should be growing again very soon, and in fact all the sectors are doing quite well in the January-March period.
Okay. Mr. Godrej, we haven't heard any inorganic moves from your group. You were very nimble, picking up so much even in international, in other geographies. Should we hear something, brands or companies?
We continually look out for possible acquisitions, Lata, especially in Godrej Consumer Products and in Godrej Agrovet. And whenever we get a good strategic opportunity, we certainly follow it through. So we are looking at various opportunities all the time. As and when we finalize something, that as you know, we have to first announce it to the stock market. So this is something which is almost on a continual basis. So I'm sure at some time or the other you will hear of some further acquisitions.
Okay. Will FY18 be a better year than FY17, sir?
I feel so. I feel, especially if the GST comes in from 1st of July, I think FY18 should be a much better year than FY17. I think generally for the Indian economy also it should be a much better year.
All right, we'll leave it at that, Mr. Godrej. Thank you very much for joining us.
Thank you.